How to make money fast as a student. For proven options, most people take forever to make money, but you don't have to. Option 1 is selling in-person services, personal training, dog walking, delivery driving, barbering, nail design, videography, basic, but fast. These are some of the quickest ways to start earning. No fancy website or logo needed. Just grab a few tools, offer your service locally, and get paid instantly. I did this myself as a teen walking through wealthy neighborhoods offering car washes. I noticed people with tidy gardens usually had messy cars, so I offered to clean them. It worked. But it had limits, only local clients and one job at a time. Option 2 is selling local products, home-baked goods. It's handmade crafts, art. I used my car wash earnings to build model airplanes and sell them at my RC club. It was fun, but the costs ate up my profit, and my customers were limited. Option 3 is selling global products like drop shipping, print, manned, and clothing brands. You're not limited to your local area. Anywhere can buy. Even flew to China to manufacture and sell my designs. But it took patience. Profits kept going into restocking. Still, it was worth it. Once it kicked off, it became a passive and scalable income stream. Option 4, and my top recommendation, is selling online services, video editing, copywriting, ad management, social media, design, you name it. You get global reach and high profit margins. Unlike products with 20 to 30% margin, services give you 70 to 80%. You can earn from day one. To figure out which service to offer, ask yourself, what are you good at? What do you enjoy learning? What problems do businesses face? Where those answers overlap is your sweet spot. Don't wait to perfect your skills. Start undercharging. Gain experience and grow. Now here's how to turn that skill into real income. Element 1. Positioning. Businesses will pay more if you help them make money. Don't just be a video editor, be the editor that helps entrepreneurs sell products. Don't be a copywriter who writes blogs, optimize landing pages that convert. This isn't about learning more, it's about being where the money is. Element 2. Leverage charge. Based on results, not ours. If your ads make the money, they'll pay more. Show your work generates engagement, leads, and conversions. This makes you an asset, not a cost. Element 3. Reach. Don't chase clients. Make them come to you. Post your work online. I once found a poster designer on TikTok who wasn't even selling, but his inbox was full of job offers. Show your before or after edits, explain your thumbnail strategy, and document your growth journey. Element 4. Automation. Reliability matters more than talent. Missed deadlines kill trust. Stay organized with tools like Adu CRM. It tracks clients, deadlines, and projects in one place. The most successful freelancers aren't the most skilled, they're the most dependable. And once you're earning, don't waste it. Start building wealth. High-interest savings accounts. They're not exciting, but they keep your cash safe for emergencies. Index funds. Low risk. Long-term investing. A coffee a day into the S&P 500 could make you a millionaire. Individual stocks. More risk, but great for learning and getting hands-on. Crypto. High risk, high reward. Stick to Bitcoin and Ethereum. Invest what you can afford to lose. Want to go deeper? Subscribe and check out the next video on how to invest like a pro.